4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The officer is come and enter in your classroom, then what you will say? Suddenly officer is come. Suddenly, today, yes, officer is come and enter your class. Then what you will say? Try to understand English because you are the student of English medium. No? Yes or no? And at also you always remember when teacher asks or say anything, not your all. Oh, do not say oh. Then what do you say? Hmm? Yes. Who is call it? Who is call it? Please raise your hand. Who is? Yes. Very good. Always you say when teacher anyone asks you, then you will say yes sir. Or otherwise you will tell or say what no sir. Yes. Huh? Okay. Another.